Hi, my name is Cody Holmes, and this is my AEP 858 Module 5 Continuous Improvement My Story assignment. To start off, here's a view from Twitter. A tweet discussing educational data said, "Achievement gaps between rich and poor are evident throughout the school system and grow wider as students age." Now, at our school, we have many students that live in poor households, but we can take our educational data and use it to help change this. Now, first, who are we? Well, we are the Parsons Vikings, and I will be discussing our school, Guthridge Elementary School, today. For our students, we have 196 4th and 5th grade students. Our students are 60.7% white, 8.7% African American, 9.2% Hispanic, and 21.4% other. 78.6% of students are economically disadvantaged, and 18.88% of students have disabilities. I talked about some of these things in my past assignments. Now, the biggest factor for our school is our large percentage of economically disadvantaged students, and we'll talk about that later on. Our staff, 85.71% of teachers are fully licensed, and you can see I listed all the different staff and shared staff we have at our school. We have quite a range of adults that can help impact kids. Finally, on the who are we part, I will talk about our community. So Parsons, Kansas has a population of 9,964 people. 82% are white, 7% African American, and 7% Hispanic. Now, 23.1% live below the poverty line, and $21,144 is the average per person income. Only 19.2% hold a bachelor's degree or higher. So that gives you some more insight onto where our kids live and where our kids are coming from. Now, how do we do business? As you know, our principal, Kurt Fries, always says that we are in the kid business, and our job is to provide a safe and nurturing school where students enjoy and benefit from learning. And we want parents to feel the same way, in that we are providing the best services to help support their children. Now, some examples of what we do. We have MAP assessments to track individual student growth that then supports each student's growth at his or her own level. We also have social emotional supports, such as behaviorists, therapists, caseworkers, counselors, and a social emotional curriculum. Now, we need to also look into gathering more parent, student, staff survey data, and I feel this will help back up these values and beliefs that we have. So, where are we now? Well, if you look at our math scores for 2018 for the 4th and 5th grade building compared with the state, you can see, for example, we have far less students scoring at level 1, and we even have more students scoring at level 4. The same goes for our ELA scores. What we need to focus on as a school is taking those kiddos that are at level 2 and bumping them up to level 3, and helping those level 3 kids bump up to level 4. If you look at our ACT scores, they are above the state, our graduation rate is above the state, and our attendance rate is just about the same as the state. Now, why do we exist? Well, our mission is, in USD 503, we hold high expectations for our students and believe that they will meet those expectations. We recognize that students enter our schools with differing backgrounds, needs, and potentials. We recognize that students learn at different rates and different ways. And our own school's mission is to prepare all students academically and socially, empowering them to be a productive member of a diverse global society. So, to summarize, we exist to help kids, and that should be our main focus. Now, where do we want to be? Well, our vision is to be the school district of choice, and our theory of action for the district is we will continue to increase the effectiveness of our educational efforts by implementing research-based instructional strategies, resulting in improved student achievement, So where do we want to be? We want to be so good at our business of helping kids that kids choose and parents choose to send their kids to our schools. So I hope you enjoyed my assignment talking about educational data and where our school is at now. And I hope we can continue to provide the best for kids. Thank you.